Hi everyone, welcome to KNR IT Academy. Today we can discuss Python programming language. What is Python? Which topics are covered in Python? What are the content available in Python? Those topics are we can discuss now. What is the content? Basics of Python, tokens, variables, basic programming, and also functions. In functions, we can learn what is input function, what is print functions, how to work input function, how to work print functions, what is the meaning of input function, what is the purpose to use input or print functions. Those are all we can discuss later. Uh, Operators, control statements. In control statements, three statements are available. One is conditional statements. In conditional statements, some topics are available. In conditional statements, we can learn if else, elif, multiple if, nested if. These are all comes in conditional statements. Then looping statements. In looping statements, we can and discuss for loop, while loop. These are all in looping statements. And also after that, in collections. In collections, we can discuss list, tuples, sets, dictionary, strings. These are all we can code in uh, selections. In selections, these are all topics we can cover. How to work list, what are the tuples, what is the meaning of sets and dictionaries, how these are all operations do in Python. That after that, oops, in class objects, different types of variables, different types of methods, what are the uses in constructors in Python, what are the modules and packages are available in Python. These are all we can learn in Python. Now, what is Python? Why so much popular in nowadays Python? What is the use? If you learn Python, what are the benefits available? Like that, today we have to discuss what is Python. Python is a general programming language. It is created by Good van Rossum and then he is released in 1991. Now, different versions are available in market. Now the latest version is Python 3.12.0. Python is a general purpose interpreted high level programming language. Why? Python is dynamically typed language. How we can call it as dynamically typed language? That is means dynamically typing means that the type of the variable is determined only during runtime. That's why we can call dynamically typed language. Why? To learn Python. What are the use? If you learn Python, what are the use? Why? Because Python is a general purpose programming language. If you learn Python, different types of job opportunities available in IT industries. Why? Because if you learn Python, desktop applications, designing, and then artificial intelligence, web application design, machine learning engineer, data learning engineer, data scientist, AWS DevOps engineer, or else testing tools. These are all opportunities are available in market. Why? Because these are all opportunities for need one programming language. That is one and only Python. If you learn Python, these are all jobs are eligible for you. Python applications. Basically, three types of applications available. One is desktop applications, web applications, mobile applications. In desktop applications, only one user we can use at a time. In web applications, multiple users are used at a time. That is the difference between web applications and desktop applications. How to open the web browser? Suppose we have to open any browser. That time we can use UI tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, like that. These are all in UI tools. And then go to server. What is the server? How the server will work? In server, one programming language is required. Java, .NET, Python, these three are in programming language. Any one programming language we can use in server. Then go to the server. After that, database. Some databases are available in market. These are SQL, MySQL, Sql3, PLSQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, these are all in databases are available in market. Then open any browser. That time we can display the data. You can type anything. That time that information required. Then the display the data. Then the takes the response to server. Any server take that responsibility. Then display the data. After that, the data will be stored in whatever database we can use. We can store it into that database only. Now, going to how to work with Python. What are the configuration required to install Python? Or we can use anything, Python or Anaconda, Visual Studio. These are all different names. We can call it in IT industries. In hardware configuration, in processor, if you want to require i3, that time 10th generation is okay. Then after that i5. Now i7 is available. Then RAM storage is 8 GB. HDD is 256 GB. Operating system, any operating system, Windows 10 or 11, anyone we can use. Then go to software requirements. Python. In Python, python.org. IDE. What is the meaning of IDE? Integrated Developed Environment. In that IDE, PyCharm, Anaconda, Visual Studio. These are all available in IT industries. And also in Python, most of the companies are using PyCharm only. Why? Because it is a un-Wi-Fi network. If you want to un-Wi-Fi network, we can use. Anytime we can use. It is a offline platform. That's why all are using PyCharm. Most of the companies are using PyCharm. Then Anaconda. In Anaconda, only data science candidates are using. Then Visual Studio. Python. To work with Python, first we have to install Python. From where? Python.org in website. We can install that Python. Once we install Python software, then we can develop the programs. By default, Python provides two modes to develop the programs that are interactive mode, then in a script mode. In interactive mode, one more name also we can call, that is command mode. So in what is interactive mode? Only one line at a time we can run. What is the script mode? We can write group of lines, we can execute only at a time. That's why all are using script mode only. Then go to what is Python advantages. What are the features in Python? Easy to code, and Python is a very high level programming language. It is affordable to learn. Why? Because it is easy to read. And then Python code look like simple English words, free and open source. And also standard library, interpreted, portable, object oriented, processor oriented. And then also extensible. We can easily install, is a open source. Why? That's why we can learn easily that in Python. Tomorrow class we can discuss what are the tokens, what are the variables. These are all like that we can discuss tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for giving. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.